Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Tamara. Now you guys, thank you so much for joining me. Today I will be doing a little bit of a spruce up on my front porch for fall. And I am just happy that you are all here with me today to keep my company while I do my little bit of, decorating and putting up some fall decor. I recently purchased some items in a store. I think it was in my last video that I showed some of the things that I purchased. There are other things that I had from last fall that I will be using this year, and some things that they are in duplicates, so I will be using some on the outside on my front porch today. I'm also doing a little bit of pruning of my flower because I do love me some natural plants, some real flowers, but I also do like a little bit of faux plants as well, which you will see a few of those popping up here or in my video as well as part of my decor. So you will notice in this video that I am doing a little bit of wiping down because recently honestly I had to get some help with cleaning up and so on. So I did get some help cleaning up, so today I'm just doing a little bit of a touch over everything and a little bit of vacuuming because I did some DIY projects whilst doing this video. So I'm doing a little bit of vacuuming, and then I will be adding some fall decor to little spaces around my porch, such as my windowsill as well as my little storage for my plants. I have also added some pumpkins to little areas such as my windowsill and also to my porch table that I have here. The table itself, I don't really use it much, so I just use it for my plant that is there, and this plant is growing out of proportion, you guys. I cannot understand, I cannot stop it from growing, but I really love it, to be honest, and I love how it's flourishing. It just shows that I have green hands, and I love that. So right now I am just adding a few pieces of decor to my existing plants. You guys, to be honest, I am not able to do any big over the top decorations because I have a little one that has bitten into my pumpkins. So the foam pumpkins have been the victim of a biter. You guys, someone bit into my pumpkins, and so I'm still using them because they are nice as they are, but they are showing bite marks. So because of that, I am doing very limited, simple decor for fall. I have a little storage that I bought. It's somewhat a small bookshelf, but I use it as a storage for my plants. So I have removed my plants from that area, and I will be putting a few pieces of decor here on this area. Also, I have a shoe stand because, to be honest, most times when it rains, you have slippers, you have, shoes that you really don't want to be taken inside. So I just decided to keep some of those things outside so that you can quickly, jump into it and get going if it's wet outside, or if it's raining, or if the kids want to go play. A little bit of a cozy here or there to show some fall love and some thankfulness for this season, you guys.
It's all worth it. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. You fade away as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
Mat that I'm adding to my front porch, you guys, this is more brown than, it's not orange, it's more brown, and I think it does add a pop of color, and I really love it, you guys. So this is it, and I hope you like it. Please remember to give a thumbs up, drop a little bit of love below in the comment section, you guys. Please remember to share and to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And thank you so much for the love, you guys. And I'm at 700